Hi friends, let me show you this new torque multiplier that I received for reviewing purposes. It's a wrench that will help you to get the nuts from your cars really easily from your car wheels. Okay, so you just have to put it together. This is the case that you get to bring it with you. Okay, and that's it. It gives you a 16:1 output ratio up to 680 Newton meters. Okay, so we are going to try it in my car, and you get three different size nuts, okay, to use it depending on what's the size of your car's tire nuts. Okay, let's try it. Okay, so first we want to see what kind. This is the one that fits my car's nuts, so we're going to put it here. Okay, and you put one in the nut that you want to release, and the other one in the other nut. Okay, so that's it. As you can see, so easy. It's already out. Okay, so you want to use this torque helper to help you with your car's nuts. Okay, okay, now we are tightening it. Okay, that's it. Okay, perfect. So this is a torque helper. It will help you to get the nuts off your car really easily. Thank you.